Intellectual property rights (IPR) are the rights given to persons over the creations of their minds, such as inventions, literary works, artistic works, symbols, names, and images used in commerce. They usually give the creator an exclusive right over the use of his her creation for a certain period of time. These intellectual property rights are outlined in Article 27 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, which provides the benefit from the prosecution of moral and material interests resulting from authorship of scientific, literary, or artistic productions. The importance of intellectual property was first recognized in the Paris Convention for the Protection of Industrial Property 1883 and the Berlin Convention for the Protection of Literary and Artistic Works 1886. Both treaties are administered by the World Intellectual Property Organization. The rights of authors of literary and artistic works such as books, writings, musical compositions, paintings, sculpture, computer programs, and films are protected by copyright for a minimum period of 50 years after the death of the author. Trademarks distinguish the goods or services of one undertaking from those of other undertakings. Geographical indications identify a good as originating in a place where a given characteristic of the good is essentially attributable to its geographical origin. The protection of such distinctive sign aims to stimulate and ensure fair competition and to protect consumers by enabling them to make informed choices between various goods and services. Industrial designs and trade secrets are protected to stimulate innovation, design, and the creation of technology. In this category, inventions, industrial designs, and trade secrets are protected by patents. To progress and well-being of humanity rest on its capacity to create and invent new works in the areas of technology and culture. The legal protection of new creations encourages the commitment of additional resources for further innovation. The promotion and protection of intellectual property spurs economic growth, creates new jobs and industries, and enhances the quality and enjoyment of life. IPR is required to safeguard creators and other producers of their intellectual commodity, goods, and services by granting them certain rights to control the use of the manufactured goods. It promotes innovation and creativity and ensures ease of doing business. India is a member of the World Trade Organization and committed to the trade-related aspects of intellectual property TRIPS agreement. India is also a member of World Intellectual Property Organization, a body responsible for the promotion of the protection of intellectual property rights throughout the world. The National Intellectual Property Rights Policy 2016 was adopted in May 2016 as a vision document to guide further development of IPRS in the country. Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion, Ministry of Commerce, Government of India has been appointed as the Nobel agency to coordinate, guide and oversee the implementation and future development of IPRS in India. Its purpose is to create public awareness about the economic, social and cultural benefits of IPRs among all sections of society. There should be strong and effective laws for the protection of IPR which balance the interests of owners of rights with larger public interest. There is an utmost need to strengthen the enforcement and adjudicatory mechanism for combating IPR infringements. Courts must be given the extraordinary power to deal with such infringements through Code of Criminal Procedure. Patents in India are protected through Patents Act 1970. Protection was in the form of grant of designs, patents, trademarks and copyrights. In India, copyrights were regulated under the Copyright Act 1957, trademarks under Trade and Merchandise Marks Act 1958 and designs under Designs Act 1911. Their implementation must be strictly ensured. Stop.